Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Looks like they're making a big rubble wall here, packing it in, making a new spillway. What's amazing to me is those two pipes over there. That's the spillway for the dam. Just those two pipes. But you look over here, and every ounce of that water coming down that river, and it's good 2 foot deep in the middle and 10 foot across. Every ounce of that water is coming out of those pipes. That's just freaking amazing. Think of how much pressure there's coming out of those pipes. And that's not coming off the bottom of the dam where the pressure is. That's coming off the top. Now, there is pressure from the fall, but it's just amazing how much water there is coming out of those pipes. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.